In this video, I will show you how to fix the Instagram reel cover not changing. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the plus icon to create a new reel or head over to your profile to open an existing one. Go ahead and select the reel where you want to change the reel cover. Now you want to tap on these two lines. Here find the option of edit. Now tap on the edit option over here. Go ahead and select a frame for your cover picture, or you can select one from your camera roll as well. Once you have selected it, tap on the done option. Then tap on this tick mark option to publish your reel. If your cover isn't changing, then check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, refresh your network and check again. A weak internet connection can prevent changes from being saved. Next, make sure that Instagram is updated to the latest version. For that, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram. If you find the option of update, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. You also want to clear the app cache of Instagram. For that, long press on the Instagram app, then tap on this app info icon. This will take you to app info. Scroll down and find storage. Select that. Now tap on clear cache. Now open Instagram and check if your issue is fixed. If not, you can simply uninstall the Instagram app. After that, reinstall it and then check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.